To search Bill.com API events. Start by understanding the basics of the Bill.com API and its event structure. The Bill.com API provides a range of events that can be used to track changes to various objects, such as bills, invoices, and payments. First, you need to obtain an API key and authenticate your API requests. This can be done by registering for a Bill.com developer account and following the authentication guidelines provided in the Bill.com API documentation. Once authenticated, you can use the Bill.com API to search for events. The API provides a search endpoint that allows you to query events based on various criteria, such as event type, object type, and date range. You can also filter events by specific fields, such as the object ID or the user who triggered the event. To search for events, send a GET request to the search endpoint, specifying the relevant query parameters. For example, to search for all Bill-created events, you would send a request with the event type set to Bill_created. You can also use query parameters to filter the results, such as specifying a date range or a specific user. When searching for events, it is essential to use the correct event types and object types. The Bill.com API documentation provides a list of available event types and object types, along with examples of how to use them. It is also crucial to handle pagination, as the search endpoint returns a limited number of results per page. To handle pagination, use the offset and limit query parameters to control the number of results returned. You can also use the next and previous links provided in the response to navigate through the results. Best practices for searching Bill.com API events include using specific query parameters to filter results, handling pagination, and testing your search queries thoroughly. It is also essential to consult the Bill.com API documentation for the most up-to-date information on available event types and object types. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively search Bill.com API events and integrate this functionality into your application. This allows you to track changes to objects and automate workflows, providing significant value to your users.